Today we'll be unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is the Pacific Blue variant with 256 gigabytes of storage. This comes with a triple camera setup of 12 megapixel and a screen size of 6.7 inches. Super Retina XDR OLED. So let's not waste any time and unbox the phone. So let's hear the plastic first. Brilliant. Now that we've put the plastic aside, let's go ahead and lift the box. Wow. I'm digging the Pacific Blue. Looks really nice. So as we can see, Apple has shifted away from the clear plastic screen protectors and have gone with this paper-like plastic protector. And this is to save the environment, of course. And as we all know, there's no power brick. I'm actually quite disappointed. And we get a SIM eject tool, instruction manual, and an Apple sticker. So let's just go ahead, put this aside, and we'll put the box aside and dig in with the phone. So I've got the silver 12 Pro Max right here, and we can have a good look at both colors. Brilliant. And just for a size comparison, I also have the Note 20 Ultra, and as we can see, the Note 20 Ultra is actually a small amount bigger than the 12 Pro Max. And if you've heard most of the reviews on YouTube, you would have heard that the 12 Pro Max is uncomfortably big, but to be honest, I find the Note 20 Ultra a quite comfortable phone to use, and compared to that, the 12 Pro Max is a decent size, unless of course you have very small hands. So anyways, let's remove the plastic. Satisfying. So I'm gonna go ahead, set up the phone, and see you once it's done. Set up the phone, guys, and we're just gonna have a quick comparison between the two colors. On the left side, we've got the 12 Pro Max Pacific Blue, and on the right side, we've got the silver one. And as we can see on camera, the Pacific Blue looks quite blue, but in reality, it's more of a pale blue. On the other hand, the silver iPhone looks quite white in real life and on camera too. And if we move over to the side, we can see both the stainless steel sides attract a lot of fingerprints. If you check the charging port, the power button, the top antennas, and from the front we can see, you could see the silver sides. On the other hand, if you have the Pacific Blue variant, it's basically a throw up. Like you can't really tell you got the Pacific Blue one unless you look closely, because the graphite one basically has a similar look from the front as well. And it's basically a personal preference between the two colors. But if you don't like any and you want to move over to, let's say, the dark side, you've always got the option of the Note 20 Ultra or S21 Ultra, or if you want to go Team Pixel, Team OnePlus, or whatever your favorite Android phone is. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Peace out.